everyone, buenos dias. I am Julia Arata Frata, your mayor, and we are here at the Huegel-Jamestown Park planting tree with a lot of volunteers that they are coming today to help us. Today we are celebrating Earth Day, and this is an ideal day to plant more tree in the city of Fitchburg. So I want to say thank you to everyone, to all the volunteers that they are showing up to all of our parks to plant tree or to do cleanups in our watershed. So thank you very much, people. And please, let's celebrate Earth Day and keep our planet clean and healthy.
Happy Arbor Day. Today is our Arbor Day celebration in Huegel-Jamestown Park. We're celebrating Arbor Day by planting some trees here in Huegel-Jamestown Park. And the idea is to do a complete canopy renovation of this park and replace all the ash trees that have been removed because of emerald ash borer. And this is possible through a partnership that we have with the Urban Tree Alliance and with grant funding from the Inflation Reduction Act. And what we did today is we started replacing the ash trees. We planted about 16 trees today, and we'll be finishing this project on Monday with Operation Fresh Start. Through our partnership with the Urban Tree Alliance, they're providing the trees, the labor to get the trees planted, and the maintenance of the trees, watering them all summer. And we're just providing the tree planting locations and the species selection. So it's a very nice partnership for us to really catch up on our canopy goal of 30% in the urban service area. And it's really helpful in getting ash trees replaced and also just helping us catch up in neighborhoods that we are a little short on trees. And so, for example, in Southdale, we've been planting trees there, but we only have so many resources, and we plant 10 or 12 trees there a year. With this project, we'll be able to completely catch up and plant all the trees that we would like to do and have a complete canopy renovation in the service of reaching that 30% canopy goal by 2050. We'll be doing the same thing on Traceway Drive the first week in May. We had the Fitchburg Fireflies here. We had neighborhood volunteers. We also had people from Park Commission and the Tree Advisory Committee. I want to thank the Public Works Department for helping us get ready for this event. We really could not do this without them. They helped us bring mulch, and they helped me get all the equipment here, which is great. Also like to thank the Urban Tree Alliance for their partnership in providing the trees, and also all of the staking supplies and the mulch, which was really helpful. And also thank the Tree Advisory Committee for being here and advocating for trees and advocating for our canopy goal of 30% in the urban service area.
We're the Fitchburg Fireflies. We're a 4-H club. We meet at the Senior Community Center. Today we're planting trees. They give us a tree, and we have stakes in the ground, and you go to your stake and you dig a hole about the shape of the tree. And then you put the tree in and use your hands to fill in dirt underneath. And then once you get it filled up about to like halfway the roots, then you just put all the rest of the dirt on top. Do it just to get people involved, and then like maybe when they can do it on their own and get their friends to do it, just get more people involved in doing good things like planting trees.